If you have a cedar roof and you've had questions like, how long should this thing last? And what should I do to take care of it? Do I have hail damage? And what the hell do I hear running around up there? Well, you've reached the right place. I'm Steve Kuhl, and I've been inspecting, repairing, restoring, and replacing cedar roofs since mullets were in fashion, the first time. In fact, since 1988, my team and I have restored or replaced over 4,500 roofs here in the Twin Cities. Here is our four-step approach to how we can help you with your cedar roof. It starts with inspection.
There's a reason we've been trusted over the past 20 years to teach hundreds of Minnesota home inspectors about cedar roof inspection. We've developed a 65-point wood roof inspection process that leaves no questions unanswered. A lot of major problems are not things you can discover from the top of a ladder or from a drone, so we get up close and personal. We'll be looking for all the common problems, but also digging deeper to make sure we have a full understanding of your roof system before we make any recommendations. Our plan will be specific to your roof, and our detailed estimate will include a glossary of terms and photos so you know exactly what you're buying. The purpose of washing your roof is to remove organic debris. Moss, lichen, leaves, and pine needles hold moisture on the roof and act as a home to wood-eating fungi. Washing your roof removes the immediate threat this organic matter presents. But don't be fooled. Even if your roof doesn't look like your lawn, it's still important to wash it before the third step in our process, which is wood preservation. Another benefit to washing your roof is that the repairs we do blend in almost immediately. Before any washing begins, we move, cover, and protect things around the outside of your house. Not wrecking your property is one of our favorite ways to keep you happy. The final step in the washing process is cleanup. It can be as much as 20% of our day, and we take it pretty seriously. The secret to washing cedar without damaging it is to use specialized equipment that uses low-pressure, high-volume pumps. Why does it matter? Because most of our competitors use little machines like this, and while they are cute, they do have a bite. Dinky machines rely on high-pressure, low-volume pumps, which is the exact opposite equation of what you want on a cedar roof. Our repairs aren't based on guesses, they're based on our detailed inspection. The goal is to address all the functional concerns we find, including missing shakes, cupping shakes, rotten shakes, loose ridge, exposed underlayment, and more. We are, above all else, professional roofers, so you can expect that what we do right. For example, we blind nail all field repairs. Why is this important, you ask? Most of the pros out there are still face nailing their repairs, knowing that you'll never see it. Not only is this a code violation, but these staples and nails create a path for water to travel directly into your home.
Wood preservation is the final step in our restoration process, and today we're out here doing a job in Edina. Check it out. Ooh, pretty. Well, actually kind of ugly, but it will be pretty when all the tarps are removed. The equipment that we're using to apply the wood preservative is made in Italy, and it's called a diaphragm pump. Diaphragm. And even though it minimizes overspray almost completely, we still put tarps everywhere just to protect the surrounding area before any wood preservative is applied. Tarps. The whole point of the wood preservation process is to protect the wood from its two primary enemies, organic rot and ultraviolet rays.
Most people understand that if you paint or stain your cedar siding, it's going to last longer. The cedar on your roof is no different. We will apply a generous coat of clear commercial wood preservative to add years to your roof's lifespan.
Well, there you have it. Now you know more about cedar roof restoration than you ever wanted to know. Ooh, lawn equipment! We look forward to helping you with your roof, no matter how old it is.
That was perfect.
That looked cool. That was a good take.
Yeah.
I think that's it. This is fun.